Boeing ready to build assembly line in India, but with one condition. India's aviation sector is booming, but a full-scale Boeing aircraft assembly line in the country may still be a distant dream. The aerospace giant has made it clear that while India holds immense potential, current market conditions do not yet justify such a large investment. Boeing has been a key player in India's aerospace sector for over 80 years, supporting both commercial aviation growth and defense modernization. Despite its deep-rooted presence, the company has signaled a strong reservation about establishing a final assembly line for commercial aircraft in India. According to Salil Gupte, a president of Boeing India and South Asia, setting up final assembly line requires a much larger market footprint than what India currently offers, as reported by Reuters. Speaking at Aero India's show in Bangalore, Gupta emphasized the need for stepwise approach to gradually build capabilities before such investment can be justified. What is the condition? Boeing requires a significantly larger market size to justify setting up commercial aircraft assembly line in India. The company believes current aircraft orders are insufficient to make the investment viable. Market condition and business case for assembly line. Boeing remains optimistic about India's aviation future, but stresses that commercial aircraft production requires far greater volumes than defense manufacturing. While the company has previously offered to assemble the defense aircraft like FA-18 jets in India, the scale needed for commercial jet production is significantly larger. Boeing projects that the India's and South Asian aviation market will add 2,835 new aircraft over the next 2 decades, representing a four-fold increase in its current fleet. However, until this demand materializes, setting a full-fledged assembly plant remains distant possibilities. Challenges in India's aerospace supply chain. Gupte also pointed out key challenge in India's supply chain, highlighting the high cost of capital as a major hurdles for supplier. He urged Indian authorities to provide incentives to strengthen the aerospace manufacturing ecosystem and bring down the cost. Despite these challenges, Boeing already sources $1.2 billion worth of products and services from India annually. Working with network of over 300 suppliers and employs almost 7,000 people in the country. The company also operates a joint venture with Tata Group manufacturing AH-64 Apache helicopter, fuselages and 737 aircraft vertical fin structure for global clients. Boeing cautious stance comes as setback for India's ambitions of manufacturing commercial jet domestically. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had previously stated that India wouldn't have to wait for long for Boeing aircraft designed and built within the country. However, for now, Boeing Factory Tours insists that larger regional market and increased aircraft orders are essential before committing to an assembly line in India.